We know that home shoppers expect more from the online experience. Shouldn't you expect more too? BDX has changed the game and put you first with our real-time tour package that is a totally different way to think about your visual content. It's a win-win. Home shoppers get all the dynamic content they need to truly get a feel for your homes online, and you have an easier, consistent, and cost-effective approach to your visual library. Here's how it works. We start with a digital model of your home. And while a real-time VR tour is at the heart of the solution, we don't stop there. We create a whole library of visual marketing assets to inspire and educate that you can use everywhere. And you get it all at a fraction of the cost that you would pay for these items individually. Are you ready to delight your potential buyers and improve the way you create visual content? It's a win-win for you and your buyers.